guys, I have a new LED light by Veepeak. It's a motion sensor light that can be used as an under cabinet light, a closet light, or a light to illuminate dark hallways. This is the Veepeak Rechargeable LED motion sensor light. There are two settings, which I'll go into a little bit later, but this is a rechargeable device. No batteries are needed. All you have to use is your rechargeable USB cord, plug it into your computer or an AC adapter. That's all you have to do. Now the battery lasts for about a month in sensor mode. Like I said earlier, I'll go over that later. If it's activated about 20 times a day. This device has 3M sticky tape already installed on the back. It provides 85 lumens, which is a lot, and the sensor ranges up to about 3 meters and 120 degrees. Now, what's really cool about this device is the detachable magnetic strip on the back. You can install a light with this, just tape it up on the wall or wherever you want to put it, and stick the device right on, so you can easily charge it when you have to, or if you want to move it, you can. Also, you don't necessarily have to use the strip if it's going to be on a magnetic device, because this part back here is magnetic in itself. Alright, so we're going to show you how to operate the light. It tells you everything you need to know in the user manual, so we're going to look up in this. Under the section switch, which is the first one that comes up, it'll tell you how to use it. So, in order to turn the device on, you locate the power button and you hold it for about 2 seconds. And there, it turns right on. If you press it one more time, it goes into light and motion sensing setting. Press it one more time and it goes into the motion only setting. So, if someone were to walk by or you want to use this in a darker location at night, this would be a great one to use. Now, I'm not sure if the camera picks this up, but when you do change the setting, light and motion sensing setting brings a green light to a little motion sensing sensor right here, and motion only sensing is a little red light. It does not stay there for long, but that is a good way to see which setting you are on. Now, to turn off the device, all you have to do is hold the button down for 2 seconds. And there you go. Alright, so here's a closer look at the back. Here you see the 3M tape and the detachable magnetic strip. It's very magnetic, actually. So you don't have to worry about losing this or it falling off. There are so many possibilities for this light. I've got several places that I could install this in as well. So I want to figure out the best location. It could be perfect for under cabinet lighting, inside a closet. None of the closets in my house currently have any lights already. We have to use little motion sensing things that don't really work too well, or they run out of batteries and it's kind of a hassle to go get some. You could also put this in a long dark hallway or in a room that there's not really much light. A great place to place this light would be underneath your cabinets. Add a nice functional design to your kitchen.
Yeah, it gives it a really nice look, and it's great that it's motion sensor, so that if you're chopping vegetables or using the counter for whatever reason, you can have a light come on.
Yes. So this is a dark coat closet. This light would be great along here, especially at night.
Yeah, or even sometimes when it's bright out like it is now, it's difficult to see inside the closet.
Yes. Alright, so another great place to put this would be on the side of your refrigerator. It would be great at night with the motion sensing setting that you could just walk by, have your cup and everything and fill it up with water. You can also take away this middle strip and place it by itself on there because this part is magnetic. Keep in mind some things are not entirely magnetic. Stainless steel is one of them, so it will not stick at all. But this would be a great addition for you at night to maybe grab a drink and be able to see what you're doing. Alright, so guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you check the description section below for more information on this product and where you can get it. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video. Also keep your comments coming. We appreciate those. Thanks for watching.